Hey guys, I'm back. So, I know I haven't filmed a video in a while. I've been busy. I'm here to show you what I got in my Ipsy bag and my Birch box. So, they're both $10 subscriptions where you can try new products, and they only send you the samples, so you don't have to go out and buy the whole thing from the store to try the product. And if you don't like it and you buy the full product, then you're SOL. So it's a good way to try new products, get a start on new products, and figure out what you like. This is my second Birch box. I believe this is my, I don't know how many Ipsy bags, but Ipsy is a really good program. So, Ipsy I've been subscribed to for a year, almost 2. So, let's start with the Birch box. So it comes in a little box like this. It comes in an orange package before it comes like this, but it says magic inside. So it usually comes with a little card that tells you what the product's about, and has like a little paragraph, not even sentence, regarding why they sent these products. And it says, pretty packaging might have us at hello, but in the long run, it's what's on the inside that matters the most. So, with smart features and dynamic ingredients, from brightening vitamin C to purifying charcoal, there's a ton of magic inside this box, so you'll feel your best on the outside. So, basically they're telling me already what they kind of sent me. They sent me something with vitamin C, they sent me, I don't think anything with charcoal, but, that's it. So, starting off, I got to choose one of the samples I was getting. So I chose Time for Sleep. This works. It's the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Technically all you do with this is I believe, spray it on your pillow, and it's got chamomile and lavender scents to it, so it should help you fall asleep and make you relax and fall asleep. We shall see if it works. I barely ever sleep. So, moving on. I have a bonus, apparently, which was the Show Pure Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. So I will read you what it says on here about that. From UK-based blow dry bar, Show Dry, this Luxe Duo packet packed with caviar, white truffle, and shea butter drenches your hair with moisture and boosts shine. So, I did already get a sample of this stuff in, well, not this, but another sample of shampoo in my other Birch box. So this will be added to my collection. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to try it or if it's just going to sit there. It might just sit there because I already have way too much shampoo, which is a problem. But, I mean, seriously, we have an entire storage bin full. But we'll see. It might actually be open. Next we have Kula Classic Sunscreen in Fresh Mango. And this is what it looks like. So So basically it's just sunscreen, but it's paraben free. So it's waterproof and sweatproof too, which on those hot days you're probably gonna need. So I will try this and I will let you guys know. Next I have Amica Nourishing Mask Sea Buckthorn Berry. It's a hair mask. And it's in cute little packaging as well. It's packed with sea buckthorn berry, which is chock full of omegas, and jojoba oil. It's also paraben free and hydrates strands while repairing damage and sealing frayed ends, which I have a lot of, which I don't know how that happens at all. Like, I get my hair cut and then the next day there are more split ends. I don't understand. But we'll see if that works. Next I have the Beauty Crop liquid lipstick in I'm a Bouse. It says hashtag girl power on it. And I swatched it earlier, and there's the swatch. It's a really pretty it looks like a classic red. It is a matte finish, because there's no smudges either. And lastly, for my Birch box, I have the Hustle Butter Luxe, which is a multi-purpose cream. This multitasking healing balm is formulated with some type of acid and algae extract to address everything from hydration to makeup removal and even bug bites, which my sister tends to get eaten up, so I may try that for her. Or she may have to try this for herself. So, I don't know. I will try it for the hydration. And maybe the makeup removal. And that is it on my Birch box. On to this thing, which is my Ipsy bag. And Ipsy always somehow always uses really good packaging or really good bags. Their design bags are really good. Though I have a bunch. My dad would probably kick my butt for getting another one. But anyway, it's open. There's stuff inside. It's a ticket. It looks like an admission ticket to a carnival. So let's get started. The first thing I pulled out is the Marula Oil Transforming Hair Serum by Theory. It's sulfate free and safe for color and keratin treated hair and for all hair types. So really it's just like it moisturizes, smooths, repairs, and protects your hair. And it says it has a pro tip on there that you can add a couple of drops of this to a Theory conditioner that you have, and it gives optimal effects. So this is the bottle. free of parabens, phthalates, and other harsh additives. Moving on. Moving right along. I have the Show Me Your Glow. It's a shimmer, shadow, and highlight by Elizabeth Mott. I got one of these, not one by Elizabeth Mott, but one by Ofra a while ago, like in my first ever Ipsy bag, and it's been my best friend ever since, and I still have it, and I love it, so I'm excited to try a new shadow and highlighter for eyes. Next is Pia's Cosmic Cuticle in Southern Sand. I don't really use nail polish, as you can tell, so I'm probably going to give this to my sister. But it's infused with grapefruit seed extract. It's free of toluene, formaldehyde resin, camphor, basically anything that could kill you. It's free of. It's vegan, flammable, it's really all I can say. So I'll have to get back to you on whether it's good or not. I like the color though, so I may be using it. Okay, so I did get something from ColourPop, which I've never used anything from their brand yet. Now my sister has more makeup than I do, and she's got some of their stuff too, but I've hardly ever used anything from her collection. So it's just a black liner in Swerve, and I swatched that earlier too. That's right above the so it's just a plain black liner, but it'll get some use. Lastly, so as you may know, Glamour Dolls has a line of brushes coming out that are Lisa Frank themed, and apparently I was lucky enough to get one as a pre-launch in my Glam bag. So it says Lisa Frank on it. And it's a Glamour Dolls, and it's got the unicorn and the butterflies. It's a really soft brush, actually, which most Glamour Dolls brushes are. But I remember when I was little and I used to have everything Lisa Frank. I actually had a box of Lisa Frank stuff. It was like the stationery, maybe it was my sister, but it was like the stationery, the art supplies, and everything was Lisa Frank. And it might have just been because we were girls and we loved pretty things. I don't know. But anyway, that is the end of the video. Make sure to comment down below, subscribe. I will leave the links to both Ipsy and Birchbox down in the description bar.